Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you cook squirrel meat. Proper preparation is essential for a delicious meal, so ensure your squirrel is freshly harvested and cleaned promptly. Carefully remove all the fur, internal organs, and any parts that have been damaged by the shot. A thorough rinse under cool, running water will clean the meat, then simply pat it dry with paper towels. This careful start guarantees a better flavor and texture in your finished dish. To ensure your squirrel meat is delightfully tender, consider a few simple steps. Soaking the pieces in a bowl of saltwater brine for at least 2 hours can effectively reduce any strong gamey taste. Alternatively, a marinade of buttermilk or a vinegar-based solution left for 4 to 6 hours works wonders in breaking down tough fibers. Even a quick browning in a hot pan before braising or stewing will seal in the juices, contributing to a more succulent final product. Pan frying offers a classic, delicious way to enjoy squirrel. Begin by dredging your prepared squirrel pieces thoroughly in a seasoned flour mixture, ensuring an even coating. Heat about 1/2 inch of your preferred cooking oil, like vegetable or peanut oil, in a heavy skillet over medium heat. Carefully place the dredged pieces into the hot oil and fry each side for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. You want them to achieve a beautiful golden brown color and be thoroughly cooked to an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. For a truly fall-off-the-bone tender result, braising is an excellent choice. Start by browning your squirrel pieces in a heavy Dutch oven, then remove them temporarily. Sauté some aromatic vegetables like onions, carrots, and celery in the same pot, building a flavorful base. Return the squirrel, add enough chicken or vegetable broth to partially cover the meat, and simmer the covered pot gently on low heat for 2 to 3 hours. The meat should be incredibly tender and easily pull from the bone when finished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.